let's go with the um, let's go with the uh, iterations, guys. Iterations, iterating iterations. Okay, iterating an array, iterating an array, guys. Iterating an array, iterating an array. All of you. Okay, right. So iterate means what? Just applying the for loop, guys. Same loops applying, right? Loops applying. So let me try first this 1D. I'll take this one. All of you guys observe here. Same as it is. Now for I in what? A. For I in A. But first time I value, guys, commonly. First time I value what? First value. Second time I value, second value. Then third value, fourth value, fifth value, like that. Okay. Output will come. This is what? Just 1D, right? 1D, guys. If you take the 2D, little bit difference will be there, because 1D means same like what our Python list, right? Same like our Python list only. Now, what do I do here? I will take just a 2D, guys, so that you can see something difference compared to list. Okay, 30 like this, and again one more. Again one more. This all, see, array of one argument, then second argument, third argument, right? This all must be in the again brackets, because the array function takes only one argument only, print of a, yes. Now all of you observe, for I in a, what is the first time a value? What is first time a value, guys? Let me know. What is first time a value? What is a value? All of you guys, what is first time a value? What is first time a value? A value, guys. What is a value now? What is the initially a value? So first time a value 0 index number. Next time a value 1 index number. Next time a value 2 index number, right? So first time first element 10, 20, 30. Next time next element like this. Okay. So let's take I. We'll take the I. See now. First time it came. Second time and third time. Now all of you observe. Now what do I do for j in k? For j in I. Sorry, I. For j in I. Then print of j. What is the first time j value, guys? What is the first time j value? Actually, first time I value what here? First time I value what here? First time I value is 10, 20, 30 from here. Okay. First time I value what? 10, 20, 30. And I, on that I, we apply j. So first time j is what now? First time j 10, second time j 20, third time j 30. Next again I value what now? Second 1D. Again first time j 10, next to j 2, next to j 3. Next time I value what again? This 1D again 9, 3, 6 like that, right? Now in this process, totally how many times j iterating the loop? Now total how many times j iterating the loop, guys? Total how many times j iterating the loop? J. I how many times j how many times, let me know. In this process, totally how many times I iterating, how many times j iterating, tell me. All of you. Total how many times I iterating, how many times j iterating, guys? See 9 times j iterating and 3 times I iterating. Yes, correct. So I iterating 3 times because I about rows, first row, second row, third row. So 3 rows. J about each value in the row. First row 3 values, so 3 times again 3 times, again 3 times, so 9 times, right? 9 times, guys. 9 times, okay, see 9 times iterating, all of you, right? This is what now, just 2D. If you take 3D, guys, if you take 3D for example, if you take 3D, then we take the 3 loops there, I value, j value, k value. I think observe there. I'll take here one more. Just I repeat same, guys. I repeat the same one again. I repeat the same one again. Then finally we close it here. That's all. Now let's take the print A. Yes. Now here to get the each value one by one, how many loops required here? To get the each value one by one, how many loops required, guys? To get the each value one by one, how many loops required? First of all, let's take the for I in A. What first time A? First time I value, guys. What first time I value? This 2D, right? First 2D. First time I value. Second time I value. Second 2D, right? Second 2D. Second 2D. All of observe here. See. First time I value. First 2D. Second time I value. Second 2D. Okay. Again, on that I, if apply the J, then first time J value. First time J value, first row. Second time J value, second row. Third time J value, third row. Next J value, next J value, next J value. Okay. Now you can see now. First J value, second J value, third J value for each one. To get the each element from each row, again what can we do generally for K in J? Now each value will come now. In this case, all of you, in this case, how many times J iterating and I iterating and K iterating, guys? All of you. How many times I, J, K iterating now? How many times I, J, K iterating? How many times I, J, K iterating? Tell me now. All of you. All of you, okay? Sindhu, I iterated 6 times, I 2 times, J 6 times, and K, how many times? N number of elements. That means 18 times, okay? Correct. Right. So if you click enter, you can see now, guys, like this. So this is what, guys, iterating the which one arrays. Now we'll perform one more last operation, guys, on array, that is performing that max min sum operations. That is called aggregate operations, guys. What do you call aggregate operations on array? Okay, aggregate operations on array, guys. Means mainly we perform which one like max value, then min value, then sum value, guys. Means and in entire matrix, entire array, what is the highest value? Means max value, min value, sum value. In entire array level, maybe 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. Okay, let us try now. All of you, guys, all of you will try the import numpy as np, then np data will create array of 10, 20, 30, 25, something 50, then 5. We'll take different values, not in the ascending order numbering. Let's take last one, something 30 also. Again 20, 10 will take, no problem. And let's take the A. Let's take the A. Then print of A. Okay. Now commonly all of observe here. Then what we use A dot max. A dot max. What is max value? 50. Then A dot what here? A dot what? Min value. A dot min value. Then A dot what? A dot sum. A dot sum, guys. Okay. So generally we have to do it print operation to get all. That's all, right? This is what here 1D, right? 1D, no problem, guys. Same like list only. But now the same thing we'll try in the 2D, 3D. How to do these operations? Import numpy as a numpy. Np dot array of like this. These are all 1Ds. I will take something like this, all of you. Something A equal to, then print of A, right? Now all of you observe, guys, properly here. All of you observe clearly. Then A dot max means an entire matrix level. What is the highest value? In entire matrix level, what is the least value? And in entire matrix level, what is the sum of values? What is the highest value? 9. What is the least value? 0. What are the sum of values? 38. Which one? 38 is the sum of values. That is overall matrix level. But now let us try to make a row level, guys. Row level, what is the highest value? The same time column level. Column means all first values, all second values, all third values. Okay, all of you. And let us try here. I take A dot max. We specify axis equal to, suppose I'll take the 1. Axis 1, guys. We take the axis 1. And you see now, axis 1 means what here? So row wise, in the first row, what is the highest value? 6. 6 came. In second row, what is the highest value? 9. 9 came. In third row, what is the highest value? Again 9. 9 came here. Means axis means what here? 0. Sorry, axis means row wise. That is row wise. Again, print of A dot max of axis 0. Let's take now axis 0. Axis 0 means column wise will come now. Sorry, min, right? Min. Column wise means first column 3, 1, 9. What is the small value? What is small value here? Or else, sorry guys, we'll take the one only here. One only first. So row wise, guys. Row wise, what is the highest value? What is the least value? Row wise. One means what? Row wise. What is the highest value? Row wise. Highest value means here 6, here 9, here 9 came. And row wise, what is the min value? Row wise min value. What is min value? 3. And here 0. And here 1. All of you. So one means what? Row wise. Row wise max value. Row wise min value came. And again, the same way, row wise we'll see, column wise we'll see max value, min value. Let's take the max of axis equal to what? 0. Then print of A dot max of axis what here? Again 0. This is what we'll take now, min. Okay, min. Right. Now column wise, guys, here. Column wise, what is the highest value? Column means 3, 1, 9. What is the highest value? 9. 9 is the first value. Next, second column. What is second column? 6, 0, 5. What is the highest value? 6. So 6 taken here. Then what is the third column? 4, 9, 1. What is max value? 9. So 9 is taken. And column wise minimum value. The first column means the first values 3, 1, 9. What is minimum value? 1. 6, 0 and 5. What is minimum value? 0. and last 4 9 1. What is minimum value? 1, like this, all of you. Okay, so then finally some values, guys, some values, print of a dot sum of x is equal to 0. A dot sum of x equal to 1, guys. Now, so again 0 means what here? All of you here, 1 means what? Row wise maximum min value and column wise maximum min value. And here I take the suppose both 1, guys. Or taking the both side, right here. Sorry guys, 1 second. Some row wise, some column wise. After taking the sum, here I taken the both different functions. That's why I have taken what here, one row and column. Here now same function, right? One is row wise, one is column wise. Okay. Now let's see now the row wise, guys. Row wise or else see. Otherwise, if I take like this, you understand it clearly, right? Now the max minimum row wise, max minimum column wise. That's all. Now easy to understand. Okay, all of you. The first max minimum total array wise, total array level. Then max minimum row wise. First row wise max value, row wise min value, row wise some values. Okay, again column wise max value, column wise min value, column wise some value, guys. That's all. All of you, guys. I'll take here print a, right. Now let's see now. So here row wise max value, row wise min value, row wise sum. Row wise sum means first row how much here? 13. First row 13, 13 came. Second row 10, 10 came. Third row how much? 15, 15 came. That's all. And here column wise sum, column wise max value, column wise min value, column wise again sum. Column wise means like this. 3 1 9 13. So 13 came here. Next 6 0 5 11, 11 came here. Okay, next 4 9 1 14, 14 came here. All of right. These three entire matrix level max min sum. These three row level max min sum. These three column level max min sum values. These are the one aggregate operations, guys.